How to change WhatsApp business cover photo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change WhatsApp business cover photo, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to pick up your mobile phone and then launch the WhatsApp business application. Once that's been launched, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Then after clicking on that, a list of options will be displayed. All right, amongst these options in the drop down menu, go ahead to click on settings, which is the last option here. By clicking on settings, you'll be brought to your settings page. On this page, the next step is to click on your profile name as well as your profile picture, and then you'll be taken to the stage where you can see your profile picture, you can see the option post, share, etc. Then the next step is for you to click on the camera icon on the blank page behind your profile picture. All right, just click on the camera icon, and then the option cover photo will be displayed by the bottom part of the screen. You just go ahead to click on gallery and select the picture that you would like to use as your cover photo. Ensure that the picture is designed to fit into this page for a cover photo. And then once you've seen it, you can see that it will be cropped, all right, in case it's not appropriate. But if it's appropriate, it should fit in directly. So click on done, and then that way your cover photo would be updated and changed on your WhatsApp business account. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and ensure you have a very good day.